Hi all, I have just released on Udemy the Complete Beginner's Guide to Chess. Now this is a guide for complete and absolute beginners to begin to enjoy and love the game as it says here. So it goes from the core rules of chess, but it also goes quite systematically, not just through the logical divides of chess, the opening, middle game and endgame, but has sections which indicate if it's an introduction, beginner level, and even some intermediate levels. So intermediate players will also benefit, especially from the intermediate, sections. So there are aspects of chess which maybe you didn't consider. Maybe there's some gaps in your game, and it takes a concentric circles model through these kind of leveled sections. So the introduction is like the inner circle, philosophies and principles. The beginner level is sort of more of an outer circle, and the intermediate an even greater outer circle. So you can see through the opening, the middle game and end game, these three kind of levels, so reflecting concentric circles. So I believe philosophies and principles should be the inner core generally, to start to know what you're doing and the why of what you're doing, answering the why questions. So there's a wealth of examples for reinforcing concepts and explanation. So I thoroughly enjoyed doing this course, and also I found some little gaps and cracks in my own chess as well. So I systematically, looked at all phases of the game, and there are also some interesting sections for learning from the world chess champions, improving and winning tips generally, and also I've had a look at many of the instructive moments of the Queen's Gambit Netflix series. So many of the instructive moments there are also looked at. And also even a section on opening, middle game and end game quotations, understanding those a little bit more. So it's more than 40 hours of video content, and this is a launch voucher code which you'll find in the description and the pinned comment of this video. But if you miss the next 4 days, it's a special for the next 4 days. The next 30 days is at Kingscrusher TV/chess beginner. So you'll find that as an amazing discount as well. So I believe, even though it's for absolute beginners, and do share with friends, they can really get into chess with this course just following the introduction sections, and they may not even go to the higher level sections later. So it's not as daunting as it sounds, the 40 hours. If they just use the introduction sections, that'd be great. But there is more if they want to get a little bit more from the course in the beginner and intermediate sections. And it's those sections which also might appeal to more advanced players, to just make sure you've got no gaps in your chess understanding. So yeah, it's a concentric circles model. It's explained all in the course, and I really think it's a fantastic value course to check out. So I hope you do check it out, and check out the pinned comments and the description for the super duper 4-day discount. But also and that 30-day I'll also mention if you do miss out on the next 4-day discount. Okay, and there are actually some free previews available of some sections as well. Thanks very much. Also, by the way, now that I have 10 courses, there's a course page overview at Kingscrusher TV/chess courses, which I hope you might share that, by the way, to social media. That'd be really appreciated. So this has now that new entry, the Complete Beginner's Guide to Chess, and you can see these other courses, and they all link actually to the relevant 30-day voucher code discounts, and I try and renew them every month. So you see that you know, like 66% off there. So I try and renew these every month. So this is a page to go through to get that amazing discount on any course I've done. So it's 10 courses. My Fun Lovers Guide, by the way, is also one of the highest rated chess courses now at Udemy. So I've got a highest rated there, and also a bestseller still for months. The Complete Guide to Chess Tactics is an absolute bestseller. So if you want to test the waters with my courses and you're more advanced than beginner, yeah, check out this Kingscrusher TV/chess courses page. So that has all the massive discounts available. So I hope you get a lot from that and improves your game. Thanks so much.